And welcome back, Grillman's Garage. We're in the garage today, but we're kind of sitting outside. We're going to go through the Holy Stone HS900 Waypoint Mission Planner. I've had it up a couple, 3 or 4 times. I think I got most of it down. I'm sure there's some other things I haven't gotten. We're going to go through it as much as I can. And all in all, it's not bad. The only thing is you got to get it up in the air before you can even look at it. And it's got to be over 30 meters in altitude. Not a great idea, but that's what they've got. So if we go into it, and we're going to switch over, and we've got 4K at 30, I believe. Yep, 100. Okay. We still have weak satellite. That's a downfall of this HS900. The collection of satellites is very slow, so the GPS module, in my view, may not be one of the better ones. Okay, we got 76% on the battery. I thought it was a little higher, but I think we've got enough to do what we've got to do. And I did at one point have to go up before I got all the satellites, because the book says 14. Now we've got 13. It still says be cautious, but you can get it up and get going. So I guess that's what I'm going to do. It's got 13, 12, 13, whatever. Let's put this thing up. So I'm going to run out of stuff if I don't. Okay, up it goes, nice and slowly. Okay, we're going to go forward a bit. It flies very well. Up. Okay, let's see if we can gather some more satellites. We're up to 25. There we are, all the satellites there. Now we're up to 30 meters. There we go. See that horizon? Not quite perfectly flat. Okay, so anyway, we're going to go into the Waypoint Mission Planner. Here we go. Waypoint Mission Planner. We haven't started the video yet. We're not zooming anywhere. We're just going to keep everything, the EV values on 0. And if we want, we can bump them up 1. Yeah, let's go there. Okay, here we go. Mission Planner is that squiggly roadmap thing there. Okay, you see that? So if you want to make one, you go there. Okay, so you hit that, and it comes up with this menu bar, and you see a next, you see the 3 dots, and on the left you see a waypoint with a menu bar. If you hit that menu box, like that, these are the previous ones we have, and we can edit them. So let's say we want to edit this one. Okay, it brings it up and you can edit it. What I mean by edit it, you can add, or you can move that anywhere you want, or I can select that guy and delete it. Okay, and then if I want to put another one, I can put another one there. Oh, I don't like that one or that one. See, it deletes them all. You can do that stuff, and you can put them back wherever you want. Do that. Okay, or we can go back in here and we can select another one. Edit, modify the name. That's what it means. Okay, so you can modify the name, you can rename it. So let's name this Outback. Done. Okay, it's named Outback. That's very good, very good. Anyway, we're going to go back now. That's history. That's how history works. That's very good. We're going to go and do a new one. So let's get out of there. We hit the squiggly lines again. Okay, and it says save without saving, exit without saving, exit waypoint, right, exit without saving. That's it. So we're back to 0. So if we put one here, and we don't have a choice as to how high we put it. It's whatever you're flying at. So I'm going to put one here. We start this. Okay, I'm going to put one here. One there. Okay. Then I'm going to put another one way out here. And this is way too far for this to go. Okay. Out here. Okay. Then I'm going to come back. And I'm going to put one right here. Boom. Okay, and I'm going to say go. So we're going to see how far it goes and what we can do with it. Can we change altitudes, etc.? So we're going to hit the next. If we hit the 3 little buttons there, it gives you the speed. We're going to go 11 or 12. Okay. Then the RTH, you have land, hover, or RTH. You always want return to home. Okay, so hit that, and we've got that. Now then, if we hit the next, you go to there anyway, and you can say go. So we're going to say go. We're up at 35 meters. Go. Go.
Waypoint flight mode.
And we're going to watch it. We're going to go to here just to start that video.
Start recording.
There we go. Let's go back here. We've started the video. There it goes. Now then, we can increase. What's this? 37, 38. We can increase to 44. We can increase to 55. Then we can decrease. So you can go up and down. So let's put it back up to 60. Okay, up to 60. Okay. We can also change the pitch on the camera. Okay, easily. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Can we go left and right? Left. Yeah, and look at that. It keeps going and then goes back. Okay, and we go to the right. And it goes back. Okay, can we speed up? We're going 9, 8, 9. No. No, you can't change the speed, but you can go veer to the left, veer to the right, camera, up, down. And we're going to see how far it goes. We got a weak signal here, and we're out at 900. We're out at 1 kilometer. And I'm sitting in the garage. You'll see when we come back, okay? Next, what I want to show you is when you come back on a forced return to home. A forced return to home is when you lose signal. A lot of these mission planners tell you that you can continue if you lose connection. This one doesn't do that. Okay, we should be turning around somewhere about now because it's at 1200. Well, we're out to 1300. I did get to 15 last time.
Communication lost.
Okay, yeah, it's about there because it's a little bit breezy and I'm in my garage, so it should be turning around, and it usually connects back about a couple of 100 meters backwards. Oh, it's still going. Look at that, eh? We're up to 1347. I wonder what that video looks like that we're taking. There it is. It turned around. It's coming back. Hear that noise? We have to go into here, the settings, and we hit this. Get rid of that noise. Okay? It's coming back now, as you see on the map. Okay? And if I hit, and I'll show you, I'm going to hit the return to home button on the controller. Here, click. Nothing. It won't cancel it. Okay? I'm going to wait till it comes a little bit closer back. I'm going to show you something else here. Okay? So you cannot cancel return to home by hitting the home key again. Okay? That won't do it. Okay? When it gets a little bit closer, I'm going to try and make a maneuver that it will cancel the return to home. If not, you're kind of at a loss. Okay? So here it comes. Now it doesn't follow any path. It's a direct path like the crow flies on this mission. Like the return to home is a straight line. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry about that. I'm looking at different stuff. So here we are. We're coming back through that squiggly line that we went through. Okay? The round trip, it says, is about 3.5 kilometers, and we've got 35% in the battery, which is still really good. We'll just have enough to come back. And here it comes, and it's coming back at 10 meters per second, which is pretty good. Okay, let's see when it comes back. I'll show you when what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try a left yaw, right yaw, up and down, see what happens. And then I'm going to try a forward and backwards and a right and left, see what happens. Okay, we're coming back here, we're almost in sight here. So when it comes back within, let's say 100 meters. Now, okay, I'm going to push my sticks up. My left stick, I'm going to push that up to increase altitude now. It goes up. Okay, it goes down. Left, it turns. Right stick, nothing cancels it. Okay, nothing cancels it. The only thing that cancels it is this X over here on the left. So if I hit the X,
stable,
cancels, and it goes back to stable. And remember, when you first start this up, it automatically goes to stable, which is slow mode or video mode, cinematic mode. And it also takes the function off of your D button for zoom. Okay, so there we are. There we have it. So you've seen all that. That's everything there. Okay, so let's see what next is. There we go. And we're going to get out of here and we're going to save it. Save and exit. Boom. There we go. So if I go into here and I go into here and I go my waypoints, there it is right there, 26th of March. That's the one we just did. That's about everything there is to know about the Waypoint Mission Planner. It's not bad. It has no point of interest. You can't do a focal point. Okay, you can't do any of that stuff. Okay, now this button I pushed was the second from the left there, and it says clear directory, clear everything. And if I hit the squiggly lines like the roadmap thing, it all disappears and I'm back to normal. And that's where I am. And it's still taking a video. Okay, now I can manually bring it down. We're up at 60 meters. Manually bring it down. And I'm going to show you where I am. Well, I'll tell you this. Another, you just got to straighten it out a bit. There we go, bring it down. If you saw how far I had to bring it over, you would not be impressed. It was at least 20 meters off of the return to home point. At least 20 meters. Okay, well, maybe I didn't let it come all the way back. Maybe that's my fault. Probably I did. Yeah, that's right. I didn't let it come all the way back, but it's way off to the left. There we go. It flies really good. Really good. And this is where we are here. We're here. Boom. Here we are. We're inside. I was sitting here like this the whole time. There we go. So, bring it in. There we go. There we go. Don't get too close, buddy. There we go. Okay, so the HS900, not a bad little machine. I really don't mind this Waypoint mission. It's very simple. You can adjust things, save things, change names, move things around. You can adjust the height on the fly. It's not really too stable right now. Coming up, you're acting like the HS360E right now, going up and down. But anyway, we're back here. So, till next time, take care, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. And maybe I'm just too close to the building here. It's going a little wacky doodle here. But anyway, pretty good, except for the price. But I did notice they dropped it by $100. Go figure, eh? Anyway, till next time. See you later.